Dancehall superstar Spice has been added to season 7 of VH1's hit reality TV series Love and Hip Hop Atlanta.
All you're doing is moving your butt up, down.
I look like I'm taking a dump.
Spice is ready to use this platform to get exposure for her musical career.
Have you ever walked miles to school and you don't have food to eat? That made me who I am today. I know where I can go.
Reggae Girl About Town. I'm out here in NYC celebrating Spice's debut on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. She's one of my favorite artists that I've interviewed over the years, and I'm really happy for her. I'm really happy for you, Spice. I can't wait to talk to you again.
My name is Cody Rhymes Gordon. I'm a fashion designer here in New York City. I do custom headphones, as you see. I've been following Spice for a very, very long time now. I've been a huge fan of her, huge fan of the Jamaican culture, and I'm so proud of her for her to get this far. And I wanted to bring her something, so I brought her a pair of headphones custom made just for her, just to show her the love and the welcome to the city, and also to the Love and Hip Hop family.
Spice being on the show, Love and Hip Hop, ATL, we feel good as Jamaicans. We like our fellow Jamaicans are soaring to higher heights, so big up to Spice, shout out to Spice. You don't know a yard, we say straight. You understand? So big up the Queen.
I'm on a platform that is an international platform, and I can't speak patois right throughout the show because everybody won't be able to understand what I'm saying. I want to be able to use the platform to elevate myself, to take my music to a wider audience, and that's why I can't always speak the native language, which is straight patois right throughout, because only Jamaicans alone can understand patois, and that's why I'm trying to be versatile. I'm trying to use the platform, so I have to come across to the people so that they're able to understand.
So I am Jamaican, so it's imperative that I be here to support Spice, the real dancehall queen from Jamaica. We haven't seen anybody come out since Patra and Lady Sauce. Spice is killing it. G's and P's says so. Boom.
I saw the episode and I like that Spice. She's not really one of those dramatic girls, but then again, you know, she is Jamaican, so given the right circumstance, someone might bring the hotness out to her. But she's such a beautiful person, nice music, and she was just really carefree and loving on the show, so I like it. These girls better not mess with her, because she's going to show them the business real quick.
Don't know, say I select the Spades is select the Mr. on deck. You don't know, we just mash up inside. Hayati in the city, New York, big up. Spice, Love and Hip Hop, ATL, brand new member, dancehall queen Spice. Me there, you don't know, Shellings.
Okay, CIN, it's your girl Spice Official. I'm here, the queen of the dancehall, and I'm about to interview these two guys who have been a veteran on Love and Hip Hop. Safari, what can you give me like a tip for the show? What would be your advice for me coming on Love and Hip Hop?
To make the best of every moment, no matter how stressful something may be, the good, the bad, you have to just really just put your all out there. Don't hold back, because when you hold back, the people watching it at home, they could tell you holding back, especially when it comes to you putting your personal business out there and half-assing it. Just put it all out there. The same way you do in your music, you got to do it on TV. And it's going to travel way more broad, because right now everybody, they watch TV. They love TV.
Thank you, baby, and thank you for coming out, and thanks for always supporting me. Straight. Big up yourself. Straight. Now, Jack, how do you feel to have some Spice
on Love of Hip Hop Atlanta.
I'm happy you on the show. I think you bring some more cultural diversity. You crazy as hell. The world knows you, and I think it just adds to the whole momentum of the franchise, man. Happy you're oh my God.
I feel like he's lying. Like he's like, oh God. Thank you, baby. He said no, for real. Thank you, guys. CIN, you don't know. Spice Official represent. Big up, straight.
You don't know Fresh Prince here, born in Jamaica, migrate to America, and from there so we'll just take it to a different level, start on the whole place. So, you know, say a mad thing still. So right now we'll just say I love on hip hop, chilling, look at my wrist, a mad thing.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sharice Marie here on Caribbean International Network for Come Chat With Me, and I'm here with the one and only Major Hype. Tell the world what's up.
What's going on, man? You know what it is. King of Caribbean Comedy. I'm here having a good time, man.
Right. So you're here to support the one and only Spice for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, correct?
I mean, you know, we here to show our numbers, you know what I'm saying, and to show support to the culture, you know what I'm saying. Big up Spice, making marks in this business, you know what I'm saying, and that's what we all setting out to do, you know what I mean. Just basically bring out the culture, bring out the people, show them that we here too, you know what I mean.
So you're here to support Spice.
I definitely am here to support Spice and the franchise overall. It's kind of funny that tonight I'm watching the premiere of season 7, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta in New York. That's so funny.
I know, we're in New York, and then this is the premiere for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, so that makes it, you know, even more special. But we also understand that, you know, a large part of the Caribbean community in America is here in New York City, so it's the only way to do it. You know what I'm saying, right?
Right.
Big up yourself, Spice. Big up yourself with your success. Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. I love what I see. Knowing where you come from, and you're rising with God's blessings. Love you every time. You're here.